Happy Sunday morning, everyone. Hey, this is Michelle with the National Association of Digital Scrapbookers, and we're in week 4 of the card design. So I might have slipped up last week. I think I said droplet instead of template, but this week is using a droplet. So let me know what you think about the difference between using a template and a droplet, which one you like working with better. Again, you can always find these templates at KarenSchultz.net. She used to be Snickerdoodle Designs by Karen, so you might be hearing that throughout some of these classes, but she switched over to KarenSchultz.net. So go ahead and watch this quick video and let me know what you think. Bye for now.
And then this guy is the droplet. So you all tell me what you think. I think you're going to say the droplet, but then I'm not so sure. So this is really easy to use. Now, first of all, I am going to do what I said I would do. I'm going to go File, Save As. I'm going to call this, let's just call this, I'm going to put it in a different folder. I have stuff going on all over the place. I know I have to clean this out. Mother's Day. I'm just going to do droplet. Okay, and then save it. What a mess my folder is going to be. So now you see all these different folders over here. They're called groups. And I'm going to start, I don't know if it matters. I'm going to get what's called my move tool first. And then I'm going to start from the back, because I always like to start from the back. So it says click here to add photo or drag photo here. Click there. I'm going to build the same exact one. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to pull this guy in. Same kind of thing. I can take this slider now and enlarge it, which I kind of like. And then I can move it. I believe I can nudge it. Yes, I can nudge it. Okay, so I'm nudging it with my, let's make it a little bit bigger because I want it to be, there we go. I just want it to kind of be, oh, what am I, let me see here. Okay, I don't know why. Let's do this a little bigger. I think it's jumping. Okay, perfect. Then I click on the check mark. I like it. I like it. I can move it over a little bit too. But I don't know why. There we go. It's moving now. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Then I'm going to click here to add another piece. What was it? This one? I think it was this one. Nice. I'm going to double click or make it a little bit bigger, and then click here to add photo. Remember, I have my move tool selected. What was that? Was that the one? Yeah, that one is for my photo of my mom and my sisters and brother. And then I'm going to make this a little bit smaller, move it on up, just drag it and drop it into place. Click on the plus, the check mark. Okay, and you see that. See how easy that is? And then I can drag the photo here, and so on and so forth. So that appears to be the easiest way to go, is the droplets. You have to be a little bit careful though, because if you start messing around inside of here, you could mess things up. So just be a little bit more on the intermediate user, or, you know, beginner users use these as well, but just be careful. Now, Karen did a class, I think it was right when they first came out, so maybe in 2017. She has another class inside the membership area that's droplets. So it goes a little bit more into detail, you know? So a lot of people are saying definitely droplets. Can you still add the flower? Yes. So what I do though is I'd be really careful. That's real good grammar, right? I'd be really careful, because when you are adding something, just be careful of where you're putting it. So a lot of times I will make a layer out there, and I'll just go File and Place. I don't even know if I have to, I don't think I have to have a layer there, but I go to the top. I go to the top. Okay, now I have the constrained proportions. So yes, you can do anything else above all of those layers. Yes, Karen, I'm going to get to the shadows, because I'm going to do more work on the second card. And yeah, okay, cool, no problem. Good to remind me though, because you never know, I might forget something. So that's the difference between droplets and templates. So what do y'all think? Do you think the droplet or the template? Oh, which one's my mom? My mom is the one, okay, so here's my mom right here. Isn't that funny? She does look so young. And then here is me back here holding my baby brother. And then here's my sister Allison, the one who I'm going to show you how I made the birthday card for. And then here's my sister Julie. Droplet seems easier. Margaret says template. Margaret might be old school because sometimes I like the template better because I tend to be more old school. Okay. Bobby says that she had Allison's, it's like a bowl cut, right? The haircut. All right, so what we're going to do then, because you all are saying that the droplets tend to be a little bit easier, I'm going to do this next one with the droplet.